What the hell? Ayaw mag-send ng vid sa messenger. Anyways, continue natin. So, like I said, since yung shifting here is basically I mean, yung shifting is horizontally. Because our original function is y is equals to 5x, 5 raised to x plus 7. So, yung pag-add or pag-subtract ng number ng integer is occurring sa exponent. And since we have x plus 7 or exponent na x plus 7, we're going to equate it sa 0. Therefore, x is equals to negative 7. So, what does that imply basically? It implies na yung graph ng y equals 5 raised to x plus 7 is shifted horizontally or shifted 7 units horizontally to the left. To the left, why? Because negative. Pag negative equals left. Negative equals left. Positive equals to the right. Ang x natin here is negative 7, therefore it the graph shifts horizontally to the left 7 units or shifts siya 7 units to the left. Kahit mo muna sabihin horizontally, given na yun. And, ayun, yan na yung interpretation natin basically para sa number 1. So, number 1 ang gagawin ko para alam mo na. So, yung relation, kasi 'di ba yung sinasabi ni ma'am is graph the function, di ko i-graph, nakakatamad. Describe how it is related to the base function f of x is equals to b raised to x. Paano siya related sa base function na to? Eto. And sa base function relation natin, or ibig sabihin, sa pag-relate ng function na y equals 5 raised to x plus 7 sa base function, we can say na if b is equals to 5, we can say that if our function is y is equals to 5 raised to x plus 7, wherein b is equals to 5, and the graph is shifted 7 units to the left. So, ayan na yun. Ayan na yung pag-relate ng ating functions number 1 sa base function na y equals b raised to x. So, ayun na yun. Yan na yung sagot mo. Dapat sentence form siya. Kasi relate mo nga, describe mo siya lang in words, bro. Tapos, hanapin natin yung domain at range. So, ang domain and range, ang domain niya, pag exponential function, always remember, the domain is the set of all real numbers. Set builder notation, x such that x is a set of all real numbers. Or, pag interval notation, negative infinity, positive infinity. Pag range naman, or all values of y, ang ating range dito, we can say for sure is, wait lang. Y, ano siya? Alam ko y is tama. Ang ating, the range lagi ng exponential function. Ang range ng exponential functions number 1 is basically set of all real numbers. Y is the set of all real numbers. Y is the set of all real numbers such that y is greater than 0. This means that lahat ng positive y values lahat ng values of y should be lahat ng values of y here in this case is greater than 0. Lagi. Hindi lagi. In number 1. Why is that? Bakit 0 greater than 0? Well, that's because pag, di ba, ang ating function is y equals 5x plus 7, di ba? It's because if we substitute the value of 0 sa plus 7, magiging 5 raised to 0 plus 7, magiging 5 raised to 7, which is something something. Which is something something. Pag gumawa tayo ng table of values, let's say sa gitna is 0, something something, malaki yan. And then, -1, -2. For example, table of values, we substitute, ayan na yun, let's try substituting -1. Pag edi magiging y equals 5 raised to -1 plus 7 equals 5 raised to 6. What the hell? Y raised to 6. Edi malaki rin siya. Basta, ang lahat ng values of y, pag kahit i-continue mo to hanggang -3, -infinity, lahat ng values of y is positive or greater than 0. Therefore, kasi wala siyang restriction as compared sa other numbers na as compared sa let's say letter B or letter E, sa letter B, letter E or letter D sa assignment, sa letter A or number 1, dito walang restriction, I think, sa range. Therefore, ang laging sagot dyan is y is greater than 0 or all possible values of y na greater than 0 lagi. So, ganun yan. Nag-table values tayo to make sure na tama. Or sa interval notation, 0, hanggang positive infinity. Tama ba? Ano raw? Wait lang. Double check ko to. The hell? Basta, alam ko tama ako. Wait, what the hell? Oh yeah, tama nga. Ito nga yung interval notation, bro. Nag-blank ako dyan. Parang nag-mental breakdown na yata ako. Pero yeah. 0, until positive infinity. Yan yung range. And, ano pa ba? Oh yeah, y-intercept. Yung y-intercept na ito, isa lang naman talaga, most of the time, I think, or always. Basta, search mo lang kung most of the time or always. Basta alam ko most of the time, isa lang yung y-intercept. So, ang y-intercept natin here is, we can get the y-intercept by substituting the value of 0 sa ating x variable sa function, sa exponential function. Diba? Y equals 5x plus 7. Y equals 5 raised to x plus 7. Diba? E di, pag substitute mo yung value ng 0 sa x, magiging 5 raised to 7. Ayan na yung y-intercept natin. What is 5 raised to 7? Laki yun. Wait, search ko naman. 5 raised to 7 is 78125. Therefore, ang ating y value here is 0, 78125. Ayun, always remember y-intercept dapat lagi siyang naka-coordinate form kasi y-intercept nga siya. Hindi siya pwede 78125 lang, no. coordinate form siya, 0, 78125. Why? Because when x is at 0, when the x-intercept is at 0, the corresponding y-intercept is at coordinate 78125. I mean, is at 78125 sa Cartesian plane. Sa point na yon sa y-intercept. And yung horizontal asymptote, ibig sabihin the horizontal asymptote, horizontally, I mean, it's basically the line where in the graph almost touches but doesn't cross or doesn't touch. Horizontal siya, which is kaya horizontal asymptote. Paano makuha yung horizontal asymptote? Tignan mo lang yung function y cos 5 raised to x plus 7. Wala na siyang ibang term like plus 7, diba? Or plus 3. Ganun lang siya, 5 raised to x plus 7, which is y is equals to b raised to x plus 7. Wala nang nilalagay na plus k. Wala nang k value dyan. So, automatic horizontal asymptote here is y equals 0. Ayun na yun. Or, let's say though, pag plus 3 to, for example, edi yung horizontal asymptote natin here is y is equals to positive 3. Pero, since here, wala naman k value here, simply y cos 5 raised to x plus 7. Wala nang other term na ina-add sa b or sinasubtract sa b, y equals 0. Yan yung horizontal asymptote natin. Ayun na yun. So, that's how we solve number 1 that's how we solve number 1 sa assignment. Sana na-gets? Ayun na yun. Yung graph, iyakan na lang. Joke lang. Kaya mo na yan.